talk about how can you enable Telrad on your uh, start work through app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to Telrad here. So you just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us here. That's mean here Telrad. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish now you I get that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.